Rob Frazier here. This video, I want to talk about leadsleap. Leadsleap, just something as I dig into it, the more I absolutely love this program. And if you're in any type of affiliate marketing, network marketing, promoting anything online, CPA type stuff, ClickBank, you want leadsleap as part of your overall strategy. So, getting right into this, if this is your first time coming across me, name's Rob Frazier, spent 12 years in the Marine Corps. I got out, got myself in 6 figures of debt. I paid off 6 figures of debt with affiliate marketing, 100%, and I'm still here doing this, I don't know, 10, 11 years later. So, getting into it, leadsleap. The first thing I want to talk about, the first thing I do with leadsleap every single day, and I'm going to just go down the list here. So if you're watching me on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because as I go down these topics, I'm going to be uploading these videos to my YouTube channel and also putting them into a playlist so you can just kind of track along and go along the journey with me. So leadsleap, what I love about it is a traffic exchange. First off, it's so much more than just a traffic exchange, but it's number one here on the list. Find a business idea, products to promote, and it's also a place for you to promote your stuff on here as well. Before I even get into that, I've seen each of these different things I'm clicking on, and I found these through leadsleap, and I've went and I've took these systems and I edited them and made them my own. Not my own per se, but I added my own links to them and my own strategies behind it. When I was surfing leadsleap ads, I came across this. And this is my own edited version. When you click on Show Me the System, this is basically a splash page that you can promote online. You can add whatever you want to the back end. This right here is my system, my traffic, and obviously I'm promoting my own businesses here. I'm promoting my BLC plan, Boost Your Leads and Cash plan. I'm using my strategy and promoting it on leadsleap and getting signups. Same thing here. This was another leadsleap page that I saw another user promoting. So what did I do? I went ahead and modeled it like a good affiliate marketer and made it my own. And yes, I have gotten lots of signups by tweaking other people's systems. I take what other people are doing, I add my own spin to it, and then I adopt it as part of my overall marketing strategy. There's a lot of people out there who say traffic exchanges aren't good places, and I absolutely disagree, because you can find good advertising, good capture pages, bad capture pages. You can see what makes you click, see what makes you opt in, and apply it to your marketing. It's just about becoming better at marketing. And you also see a lot of crappy stuff as well. So when you see other people's crappy stuff, you tend to make less crappy stuff. So coming down here, again, this is another leadsleap system that I came across. And if you're already a member, you just bypass, you're already in step 1, and then you can just scroll on down here, go to step 2, and again, this right here, I took the guy's system, how he had it set up, and just tweaked it and added my own stuff. Now I'm promoting my Boost Your Leads and Cash Flow plan, using leadsleap as like the foot in the door. And I'm advertising these places on the leadsleap traffic exchange. Here's another one. And how I came across all these different types of sites is by surfing the traffic exchange myself. And I'm going to get to that in a later portion of this video. You want to surf because, number one, you can see what other people are doing. You can take what other people are doing and tweak it and model it and incorporate it into your own marketing. Number two, you can get traffic from that. The biggest thing people need with traffic exchanges is they are overwhelmed because they don't have a plan. And if you have a very specific step-by-step plan to give them, you'll be getting opt-ins all day long. This past month, I've over 250 opt-ins from these traffic exchanges following this same mentality. And this right here is another leadsleap system that I came across. And these are all different splash pages you can get, and you can get these as a free member as well. So you don't need to come out of pocket with anything. So there's benefits to surfing the ads. Not to mention, to qualify for daily rewards, you only have to surf 10. I surf 20, but that's neither here nor there. You only have to surf 10 ads a day, and it takes like maybe 5 minutes. And in fact, I'm going to scroll down here on the left underneath this category where it says money. I'm going to click on daily active bonus, and right now it's going to say 0 because I haven't surfed 10 ads. You are not qualified for today's daily active bonus, which is actually a small cash reward paid out. Please view 10 ads to be qualified. That's it. You can join for free, surf 10 ads, spy on other marketers, see what they're doing, and get paid cash rewards as a result. Now, it's not a profit share, it's not a revenue sharing, but you will get small daily cash rewards for surfing the ads. And how much? It depends on the day. I'm not going to get into numbers. There's no calculators. There's no rev share type stuff about it. It's just rewards for surfing 10 ads. And what you do is very simple. When you're on the dashboard or around here, matter of fact, let me shorten up my screen so you can see where the ads are. I blow up my screen because I'm 41 years old. I can't be staring at the computer all day. But when you're on a normal laptop, you'll see the ads over here. Surf and earn member ads. Very simple. You click here, and this will start the surfing process. One other thing I want to get into is, matter of fact, I'll save that for the next video. But surfing 10 ads, and this is it. This is how hard it is. You surf the ad, and then when you see this here, you see today's clicks. That means I already got one. And I'm going to come down here. You obviously don't want to click this one. This right here detects bots, so bots won't be clicking on the ads. Also, let me pull up my camera, see how much time I got. And this is it. You do that until today's clicks say 10, and then you qualify for some daily rewards. You get a chance to see what other people are doing. You see if this is a good capture page or bad capture page. I don't care. I personally, yeah, it's a decent capture page, but I wouldn't opt in because I've seen partner with Anthony's stuff all over the place. And, you know, you just do this. And this is what I think about when I'm surfing the ads. Number one, it doesn't take long. Number two, I do 20 a day. You get more clicks, more traffic the more you surf, but it's not necessary. Also, if you got a fast internet connection, I'm out here in a garage away from my router, and I live out in the country, so, you know, kind of on the outskirts. This right here is something I wouldn't even waste time looking at. It looks too big, too complicated. I'm not reading all of those words. That's just my own personal opinion. And these same thoughts that I'm having when I see these ads pop up on the screen, I take into account, and then I apply it to my own marketing. So if I see a capture page that's too wordy, I make sure my capture pages aren't too wordy. This right here, same deal. I'm not looking at all those words. I just want something simple to the point. If they would have had the 30 done for you business and then put in your email to find out more, I'm all about it. All of these, blah, 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 blah. I'm not sitting there reading all that. I'm just being honest. And a lot of people say traffic exchange traffic don't work. No. You just got to have something quick and poppy and to the point, and you will learn how to make it work over time. For example, this is a decent capture page. I won't necessarily opt in because I'm at a point to where I'm not looking for another free web builder. The only thing, you know, just going off what the capture page says, the only thing I look for is traffic plans or leadsleap systems. At the beginning of the video, each of those leadsleap systems that I shown, the different pages, those were other people's pages on this traffic exchange that I'm surfing right now that I opted into. A lot of people say traffic exchange gives you junk traffic. I'm a six-figure earner in affiliate marketing. I don't think I'm junk traffic, and I opted into other people's stuff here on the leadsleap traffic exchange. So, you know, I'm just having a conversation, trying to give as much value before, you know, I hit my 15-minute mark here. But those are, you know, different things I think. Here, I might have took a look at this if it was like much more to the point. Also, on these traffic exchanges, you wanna promote capture pages, and a capture page is just simply put in your email to find out more information about whatever. This right here, I'm not looking at all that. That's too busy. There's all these different yeah, you know, I'm not doing that. And so when I say that, and no offense if these are any one of your websites you're promoting and you're watching my video, but that's just what people think. You know, need something to the point. This right here is too much. I'm not reading all that. I just want to, you know, surf my ads. But if you had a plan, hey, free leadsleap plan and system. And if it makes sense, I'm opting in. I'm doing it. Excuse me. This right here is a decent capture page. A little wordy. But again, I'm at that point in my life where I don't need a new business. And so here you see it. You're now qualified for the daily bonus. Today's credits are now earning you cash. You can actually take those credits, cash them out as cash, or do what I do, roll it back in to get more traffic. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm actually gonna go and surf 10 more ads later on, just to hit my daily discipline of doing the ads. They don't take this long. The only reason they took long is because I'm sitting here running my mouth about the different ads that I'm seeing. But again, you get different ideas. You say, oh, that's a good idea. I want to take that. Ah, that's a sucky idea. That's a suck-ass idea. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make sure I'm not doing that in my own marketing. And that's it. So, that being said, leadsleap, you want to surf the traffic exchange daily. It's so much more than a traffic exchange, believe you me. But this right here is the first thing you want to do every single day. With your free leadsleap account, you can promote whatever you want. You're getting traffic from the same traffic exchange, so keep that in mind. My name's Rob Frazier, wrapping this up. Underneath this video will be a link to my leadsleap affiliate system. Sign up for free. I'll also put a link to my BLC plan so you can see how I'm incorporating leadsleap into my overall business system. All that information will be in the description. This will also be in the playlist. This will also be in my training. This will also be in my Facebook group. Look me up. We'll see you in the next video. Peace!